So you are logged out of your Binance account because of 2FA or two-factor authentication. You may have lost your phone or changed the phone number or email address, or you have deleted the Google Authenticator app or changed the devices, or you may have not receiving the code on the Authenticator app. In any case, this is the only working video on YouTube which will solve your issue. All you have to do is just keep watching the entire video till the end without skipping a single second, otherwise it will not work. So what you have to do for getting access back to your logged Binance account is you have to open up the Instagram application. Why Instagram? I'll tell you in just a second. And if you do not use Instagram or you do not have any Instagram account created, I will tell you an alternative at the end. So after opening the Instagram account, you have to go to this search button available next to the home button. And after tapping in the search bar, you have to write exactly the same spellings as I'm writing. So you have to watch carefully whether you are on Android or iPhone. It works the same on both of the devices. So you have to write here how to official 0. Now if you have written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. So you have to tap on it. And after that, you have to tap on this message button available on this profile. So tap on message and type a message here. I got logged out of my Binance account due to two-factor authentication or 2FA. And you can also explain your issue here. And after explaining the issue, just send this message. This is my Instagram account and I will help you getting your Binance account unlocked and bypassing this 2FA authentication error, just in the return of a very little amount of money. If you are going to leave this video after listening to this, just listen one more thing, that I'm not going to charge any money until your account gets recovered. You can also rent a Binance account from me, which you can use for trading or any of your purposes. You can also get a pre-verified, ready-to-use Binance account. All you have to do is just message me. And if you think I'm just a scam or I'm just lying, let me show you some proofs. Here's a client. I had provided my other services to her and you can see that she is satisfied. And as this message is from 2023, it means I have been providing my services from a very long time. And here's another one. You can see that he's also saying a thanks to me after providing my services. And after that, he had sent me a payment. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services and I have successfully provided them. You too will gain trust on me when you'll message me on my Instagram account. Now for the people who do not use the Instagram application, just let me know in the comments and I will provide my WhatsApp or any other platform that you are convenient to use, and you can contact me there and I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.